Is it really possible to sustain a family of four in the world when you have absolutely no reliable source of income? Imagine carrying carrying that weight every single day. But it does not stop there. Imagine knowing that your wife battles chronic asthma and her life depends of medication she must take every single day. When the bills pile up, when the price rise, and when you look into the eyes of the people who depend on you, you ask yourself, is it even possible? And if it is, how on earth do you survive? My name is Haptam Warku, and today I am choosing to share my life story with you. Life has tested me in ways I never expected, but I am proud to have chosen this path of resilience. I am proud to have chosen this path of resilience. I am proud to stand up for my family. No matter how steep the climb, this is just the beginning of my journey, and I have full faith that you will work alongside side me as I share the upcoming chapters of my life. Thank you for being here.